This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Skoice installed, internet stable, and device permissions granted. Once done, open the app and sign in with your email and password. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for safety. Next, grant microphone and camera access when prompted so core features run without interruption. Follow the in-app onboarding prompts to select a workspace and basic preferences. This gets your environment ready and prevents permission errors later. Now you configure core settings to match your workflow. You will name the workspace, invite team members, and assign roles so permissions align with responsibilities. This avoids access issues. Then decide on privacy. Choose local only or cloud sync because that determines backup and sharing behavior. Finally, customize notification rules and default templates. Doing so reduces repetitive steps and ensures consistency across projects. If you pause, Skoice saves drafts automatically. To finish, run a short test session to confirm audio, video, and file export work as expected. Once successful, export or sync one sample file to your chosen destination and verify integrity. This proves end-to-end functionality. If something fails, first restart the app and clear cache, then recheck permissions and network settings. Most problems resolve that way. If the issue persists, collect logs from settings and contact support, with the timestamp and error details for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.